Hey, and welcome to a tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to reduce noise on a photograph. Now, if we look at this photograph on here, you can see it's got some noise on it. And this was shot at Chili Bean Cook-Off, or Chili Cook-Off in Asheboro, as you can see, North Carolina. You can see how it's pretty noisy throughout the picture. I'm going to show you how to reduce that. Go into your filter, and go into noise, and then you can do reduce noise, and it'll come up with a preview screen. Fill load. So see, we got a preview, and we'll increase it just a little bit. See how it's taking out some of it. We want to preserve detail. So we're getting pretty good in this. Alright, so let's see what we got. Looks pretty good. Now, what we probably want to do is go back and look at it whenever this gets done. So it looks pretty good. So that's what we got there. Let's do a little bit more with it. Dust and scratches. We'll take those out. Doesn't look like we're gonna get much out of it. Let's see. Yeah. Only a 1 out of that. And see how much that helps with it. Just helps a ton. So we save that. And granted, it does look a little bit blurry. We can fix that with a quick fix over here. Just sharpen that. Check it. Alright. And that's what you're left with. You're left with this beautiful photograph.